Hey guys, welcome to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be covering three different ways you can use Cash App to make money. And these are all three legitimate ways and legal ways that you can make money using Cash App. And really quick before I get started, I just want to let you know I am not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before you invest in anything or sign up for anything. And also, you can go down below and click on the link and get signed up with Cash App very quickly and easily. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first way that I want to go over is, now if you're not familiar with Cash App, it is a money exchange app, meaning you can load your account by attaching a debit card or a bank account and load money, and you can send it to other people that also use Cash App. But that was the foundation of Cash App when it was created. But they kind of diversified, and there are ways that you can earn money and invest that a lot of people don't know about. So let's get started here. The first way I want to go over, as far as how to make money, is through investing in the stock market. You can actually go onto Cash App and invest in the stock market. And what I want to do is show you that you can actually trade with any publicly traded company. So as you can see here, they have a list of the most traded companies. And I know you recognize these names here. You have Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, which is Facebook, Alphabet, which is the parent company for Google, Netflix. So as you can see, you can invest and trade, buy and sell stocks. And this is all within Cash App. So this is huge. This allows the little man and woman to get started on an investment journey. Whereas years ago, the average Joe could not do that. 20, 30 years ago, you had to hire a stockbroker and pay them a very nice fee just for even investing anything. So that's amazing. And another thing I want to go over is, you see that tab that says newly added? They're constantly adding new companies. Hertz, Webster Financial. I mean, there's a lot of new companies in here. And then let's come out of this, and you can also go into categories. Let's just say banking and finance. Bank of America. Look at that. JP Morgan, Visa, MasterCard, Morgan Stanley. Look at that. Coinbase. So you have many options here. Let's go under business here. Look at this. Berkshire Hathaway. How about that? We have the S&P Global, which is kind of a conglomerate of, I think, the top 500 companies. And you have Equifax. So I won't go through all of these, but as you can see, you have multiple different subcategories: energy, food and drink, health, media, entertainment. And I want to show you real quickly here's a stock that I recently invested in, Smile Direct Club. All right, let's click on that. And as you can see, in the past 24 hours, I'm up 11%. I invested $9, which I'm down, looks like 43 cents. So it went down since I purchased it. It dipped, and then it came back up yesterday. So I'm almost at the break-even point. But I'm curious to see what this is going to do, because look at what Smile Direct did in the past week. it's up 30% over it. So basically, if I put in $1,000, or let's say $100, if I put in $100 a week ago, it would be up. I'd be sitting at $130 right now in my portfolio for Smile Direct. That's amazing. Over the past month, let's see here, it's down 0.82, so not even a full percent. So here recently is when it shot up big time. So that's just an example of one stock that I own that I recently invested in here. All right, so that's the first way. Now let's go over the second way you can make money through Cash App. All right. And it's through investing in Bitcoin. This is a cryptocurrency. I will do a video on the origins of cryptocurrency and how coins and tokens work. But today we're going to talk about the granddaddy of crypto, which is Bitcoin. Now, what I've done, as you can see here, I have a balance of $373.98. And this is constantly updated. This is updated in real time. And this is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It does not stop. 365. So as you can see today, it's up 1.7% over the past 24 hours. So what happens is when I see that it goes up anywhere between 1 and 5%, I cash my profits out. So what I do is, you see right there in the bottom left-hand corner, over the past 24 hours, I've cashed out $9, which is separate from the Smile Direct investment. I know that sounds weird, but this is a whole different amount, a different situation here. When it went up, I noticed, okay, so I calculated, I think it was 4%, 3 or 4%. So I sold that amount. So I went in here and hit those three dots and put in, like $4 and hit next and confirmed it. And it actually sold 4% of my investment immediately, which means that amount was put into my Cash App balance for me to do whatever I want to do with. And if, whenever you want, you can cash out your total balance. Like, so let's just say you hit a lick and Bitcoin goes up, say, 20% in a month, and you want to cash the whole thing out and take your profits and your investment. You can cash that out instantly. That's how powerful this thing is. So just think about this now. If you had $1,000 to play with, a couple of thousand, which in my opinion, investing, even though it's very volatile, I think your likelihood of profiting is greater with this type of investment than leaving your money in a savings account, because banks are not going to pay you anything. I mean, they pay you pennies on your savings account. And what they do is they take your money and invest it in the stock market. How about that? Most people don't even know that. So I would rather invest my money in the stock market and crypto and real estate and keep it diversified so that it's going to give me a greater rate of return than leaving it in the bank. Again, I will go over my strategies on that a little bit more in another video on how I cash my profits out. But that I wanted to touch on how this works and how you can make money. All right, now let's move over to the third way that you can earn money through Cash App. And that's going to be through, click on that little smiley, that little man face up there. It's going to be through their referral program. All right. And so here's my Cash App. So in that middle section there, you see invite friends, get $15. You tap on that and tap on the little exclamation point there. Look at that. Okay. For every friend that you refer, you're going to get $15. All right. They're going to get $5. So let's just say you sign up for Cash App, there's a few things you have to do, and I'll go through that. But you're going to receive $5 to do as you please with. You can cash it out or invest it. And what you have to do is enter the referral code from the person that invited you, or go through their link. Then what you have to do is link a debit card that you have never used for Cash App or a bank account to your Cash App. And if you're under the age of 18, you can activate a cash card and do that as well. And then the next step is you have to send $5 within a 14-day period. You have to send $5 to someone else that uses Cash App. It can be anyone. If you send it to me, I will return that $5 right away to you the same day. So that's just Cash App wanting you to use the system to get you, familiar and comfortable with it. And so I'll do that. If you choose to send it to me, I'll send it right back to you. All right. So that's the third way. And the other part of that is, once you get going and set up, you can actually take your affiliate link from Cash App and start offering it, promoting it, and inviting your friends. And I know what you're thinking. I don't know that many people I don't know people that would do it well. You have the World Wide Web at your fingertips. You can promote your link on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, even Pinterest. You can actually create videos or just make a post and talk about Cash App and put your link out there and just keep doing it. And eventually you're going to have people that will sign up for Cash App, and you will start generating referral bonuses. And I'm telling you, this can make you a nice part-time income if you do it consistently. Now you have to put in the work, but you can make a nice part-time income or even a full-time income without leaving your home. That's how powerful this is. I mean, some people don't look at Cash App as being, a powerful platform, but it really is when you sit down and think about it. All right. So that is the video today. I wanted to go over those things with you. And also what I wanted to cover is, I'm not any type of financial expert. So, you want to research and invest after you do your own research in these different companies, if you choose to invest in crypto or the stock market. And also remember to tap on the link below to get started with Cash App today if you have not done so already. All right. Hit that like and subscribe button if you find value in this video. And then until next time, have a great day.